report MDB, a smart MDB compatible vending machine controller, in which I have developed the complete vending machine. Like these vending machine we can use in our different platforms of in different grocery stores, to in which user can pick up the complete items. Like for example, they can pick up through burger, cold drinks and everything. So I have just added the complete abstract, its introduction, and like what protocol used, communication protocol used for the multi-drop bus internal communication MDB, as well as ICP internal communication protocol. And after that I have just developed the complete protocol, like how user can get its data based on its product, how user can get its product based on the user input. Okay, so we have used the physical layer, data link layer accordingly in this MDB ICP protocol, which baud rate is 9600 baud rate with 9-bit data framing rate, and its bit error address as well. So this is the layered software protocol architecture, in which 3-layer architecture are used. One is physical layer, second is protocol layer, and third one is application layer. And next part is the variables names using the data handling strategy. We have just used different variables for Boolean flags, runtime, adjustment settings, and live proportional values. These are the protocol devices, which is initial, idle, command, response, and error, configuration system, as well as the literature review. In the system overview, we just take that the payment interface module, in which handles the MDB protocol communication with payment. Like the client can pay based on its user selected items. Okay, for example, the user select different items in burger, in form of burger, cold drink. So it calculates the payment accordingly, and user can pay through the control logic module through credit information, selection input, and message dispensing as well. And it will also provide us through when the user can pay through the credit card, it will collect the complete payment, and it will provide us the drive motors or solenoid valve to open its lock and provide us the user based product. Okay, so hardware design, we have just used a Tenzi 3.2 microcontroller with PIC 817 isolator as well, its buck converter, relay modules, and PCB layout accordingly. This code is developed for the main machine. Okay, and the flow chart as well, the simulation in Proteus. Like, let me just guide you, like how, for example, in this cake is selected for the based on users. Okay, so user can select the items from like cold drink, like burger, like cake. And for example, here I have just added, see, press 1 for coke, press 2 for bubble gum, and press 3 for cake. In the section, user just selected 3, 1 to 3 accordingly, and just at the last is 3. So the cake is after the payment, the cake is just down. It means that this down section represents that we got the cake to deliver the user. Okay, so basically this complete section is developed for the vending machine control system. Okay, and next one is basically this is basically the complete Proteus, Arduino code, which is developed, and the simulation of Proteus is developed in this vending machine control system. This is a complete its schematic and the PCB design for MDB vending machine. Okay, after that this controller will be developed as a MDB master board, and we can use this controller as a master controller to control its MDB. Okay, So these are the conclusion added references. Let me just show you. This is the hardware design. All the hardware files added in it, MDB files, which is basically provide us the complete ESP32 code to control its communication and its complete structure layout. And Tinsy microcontroller, its source also added in it, and I2C, all the complete hardware for the MDB microcontroller, and its I2C protocol also added in it. Okay, so the next part is basically how we can test. For example, I have just added the its complete layout according to different its output results. Yes, this is the PCB layouts, and this is the smart vending machine structure for Proteus simulation. Okay, also smart vending machine Proteus files available in it, vending machine, and everything, all the files added in it. Okay, so yes, this one, for example, this one, see, Nelson Darwin Park Tech vending machine. Basically, this company used for developing the machine. That's why I have added its the Nelson Darwin Park Tech vending machine. This is a basically logo design, and here is the cake is added for the users interaction, coke, and the bubble gums as well. Okay, this is a complete simulation. All we can select its accordingly its buttons and based on the user requirement. Okay, I think it is okay. Now you can ask anything if you want to ask. Okay, thank you.